PrettyMakeoverStudio is awesome. They have done so much of very good makeup and worthy makeup, and it was very neat, clean, and it was very smooth. They have done a very long amount of events for me for my wedding. Especially, they have done a fabulous work for my wedding, which you are able to see now. And they have also performed the makeup for my bridesmaids, everyone, for Sangeet, for wedding. It was actually started from engagement. So I have booked as a package for all the events together, and they are awesome. I'm so happy and blessed to have this guy.